Hey everyone, we're back in Trimble Business Center again. Um, I wanted to show you guys what I do to create some contours, to throw in some, I don't know, some PDFs or something, to do a takeoff on. Maybe you need to show somebody some for a grading plan, whatever the case may be. Um, I've got a couple of years in Trimble Business Center. I've been trying to play in here as much as I can. I enjoy it. Um, the past 2 years, I've been using it a lot more often for work, um, using it for machine file export and creating machine files, stuff like that. So here we go. So all I did here is I went out to a job and took my collector and I shot some topo. Um, I brought the SPJ file that it makes, and I pulled it into to Business Center. And then from there, I took a look at the points, picked out some bad ones, and I created this original surface here. If you guys can see that. So from here, what I needed to do is create some contours to give to somebody so they can make some grade adjustments and whatnot. So to do that, we're gonna go up to the surface tab. We're gonna go. There's a couple ways you could do it. You can do quick contours, which is pretty neat. I do create contours, and from here we're just gonna pick the surface, the only one in there. Able to test contours because I have the contours I need already in here, and we'll put it in. I think I have a test layer, test contours. And you can play with the interval and the frequency. Index is the larger contour, a major contour. Interval is a in between, smaller contour, minor contour. So and you can play with it, and depending, maybe you want more or less, you can add these in here, these numbers, and go down to the bottom, and it'll tell you what it's going to make right here. Um, we'll we'll go to just to see how make a little bit more so you can see it. Yeah, that jumped it right up, and you can play with the colors. I like to use brighter colors. It comes out nicer. So from here, I always hit smooth contours, and you can play with the distance between labels. So the distance between labels is going to be, it's going to label only your index contours. And it's going to label them across, not down the contours. It's going to label only those ones across. And I'll show you what I mean by that right here. So we can just hit OK. There we go. We got some pretty nice contours here that we can use. I'll just there we go. And as you can see here, it labels down the contours, index contours, so the larger ones. Yeah, and then we can pull this out of here. Get that. Oops. Won't let me hit it for some reason. I think it's because this is in here. There we go. And we'll shut off the surface. And what we got left is some nice contours here. that we can put on a PDF, which I will do a video on that. I think my next video is going to be drafting. So taking your plan view here, whatever the case may be, we can take these and we can add some stuff in here. Actually, we don't want to do that. We can do just let me get this set up for you guys here. We could overlay it on a plan, on a design like this, and we can take it from here and put it on a drafting template. So it looks neat that way, and send that out. I will do a video on this. All right, guys. Thanks.